is a fly pattern that we did at one of the fly tie nights here at the shop, and it was a big hit with a lot of the beginners that had never tied a fly before. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a video of it, and this is just one of the super stupid simple patterns. So the first thing we did is just laid down a thread base. Next thing is we're gonna grab some Woolly Bugger marabou. This is in olive. This is the actual premium bugaboo. You get it from Nature Spirit, and really simple. This is why it's a stupid simple fly. You just measure it one length of the hook shank, and then transfer that measurement to the back and tie that feather on. And if you tie from the bead down, it's going to help contain all that feather better. And then wind back up. We're going to go ahead and trim off the stem and all that junk that was at the bottom of it. I'm going to clean that up a little bit and just throw a bunch of wraps down. This pattern is really easy. All it is 2 ingredients. It is the marabou and then Estaz. I go ahead and tie in the Estaz. So about halfway up the hook shank. And Estaz is a cord material, so it's like a rope with this shiny stuff shooting off the sides of it in super simple terms. So you tie that in, and then we're going to wrap this around the hook shank. And this is opal root beer. It creates a pretty cool color combo. It's got that green tint to it, a little bit of clearness in it. So we just wrap around with the left hand, stroke the fibers back. Wrap, left hand, stroke fibers back. And repeat until you get to the head. And as you get to the head, I'm going to cram 1 or 2 extra wraps in here, and that's going to force that bead to stay up, so the bead's not going to wobble around. Keep everything nice and tight, and then we're going to go ahead and throw our thread around it once, twice, and get everything nice and secure. Now we can go ahead and chop off that Estaz. And that's pretty much the finished fly. The last thing we're going to do is, with my left hand, I'm just stroking all those fibers back, and I'm going to go ahead and whip finish. And if you are brand new at tying, you can do what's called a half hitch. That's something that I show a lot of the beginners in the shop at the tying nights, because the whip finishing tool can be a little bit of an experience if it's your first time tying. So you use super glue, half hitch, you name it, whatever it is that you use to finish off the fly. But that's it. Super simple.